Hello children, we have already started doing the lesson The Little Fir Tree. We have done some of its exercise questions. Today we will continue with its exercise. Where do we use capital letters? So today we are going to learn where to use capital letters. You have learned writing in English. You use two types of letters. Sometimes you write in capital letters and sometimes you write in small letters. Today you learn where specifically you use capital letters. आज हम सीखेंगे कि इंग्लिश लिखते समय हमें कैपिटल लेटर्स कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ करने चाहिए. So let's see. In the beginning of a sentence. बिगिनिंग मतलब शुरुआत. When a sentence starts, the first letter of the first word is always capital. किसी भी सेंटेंस की शुरुआत में फर्स्ट वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर हमेशा कैपिटल होता है. फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ अ नेम. First letter of a name is always a capital letters. If it is a name of a person, a place, a river or anything, it is always capital. Words like I am, I'll. The letter I will always be capital in these words. Let's do some questions. Rewrite the following sentences by capitalizing letter wherever needed. अभी आप sentences ध्यान से देखेंगे and you'll try to find out which letter should be capital. और फिर आप उस sentence को फिर से लिखेंगे capital letters के साथ. For example, आप इस sentence को ध्यान से पढ़िए and try to find out कौन से लेटर्स यहाँ कैपिटल होने चाहिए. सेंटेंस इज एवरी डिसम्बर आई कैन हार्डली वेट फॉर सेंटा क्लॉज. सो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट सेंटेंस के शुरुआत में देखिए फर्स्ट वर्ड जो है उसका फर्स्ट लेटर स्मॉल है. ये क्या होना चाहिए? ये कैपिटल होना चाहिए. तो एवरी में ई विल बी कैपिटल. Next, December. December is a name of a month. So D should be capital. I means me, मैं. So this I should be capital. I can hardly wait for Santa Claus. Now Santa Claus is a name of a person. So S and C will be capital because it is a name. Let's see. Every December I can hardly wait for Santa Claus. E capital, D capital, I capital, S and C. आपको समझ आया होगा कि सेंटेंस में पहले वर्ड का पहला लेटर कैपिटल. अगर कोई नाम आया है जैसे ये मंथ का नेम है तो उसका फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल. आई हमेशा कैपिटल होगा जब आई अकेला रहेगा. नाउ सेंटा क्लॉज नेम, इट इज़ अ नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन. सो इट एस एंड सी शुड बी कैपिटल हियर. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, रीना एट लंच विथ मी. सो हियर लेट्स सी. रीना, आर इज कैपिटल because it's the first word of the sentence and also it is a name. Ate lunch with me. So in this sentence only one correction is there. R should be capital. R capital होगा क्योंकि R ये रीना जो है ये सेंटेंस का पहला वर्ड भी है और ये एक नाम भी है. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana. So now in this sentence you can see Chandigarh and Haryana. These two are the names of the places. So you know what you have to do. Names of the places should begin with the capital letter. So C should be capital and H should be capital. किसी भी जगह का नाम अगर है, वो नेमिंग वर्ड है, तो उसका फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होगा. तो इसमें करेक्शन है, C इज़ कैपिटल, H इज़ कैपिटल. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, I like to talk to Geeta. She is my best friend. So here we have two sentences. So here let's see the answer. I is capital. I like to talk to Geeta. So Geeta is a name. So G should be capital. She is my best friend. S is capital because here we can see a full stop and a new sentence is beginning after the full stop. So in this new sentence, this is the first word. So first letter of the first word should be capital. ये एक नया सेंटेंस शुरू हो रहा है फुल स्टॉप के बाद, तो इसके फर्स्ट वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर क्या होगा? कैपिटल. सो S in she should be capital. We are going to Nagpur on Monday. So in this sentence, W in V is capital because this is the first letter of the first word in this sentence. Are going to Nagpur on Monday. Now M in Monday should be capital because Monday is a name of a day. ये एक दिन का नाम है. It is a name. So M will be capital here. Next example. Our pet dog is very naughty. Its name is Sheru. Let's see. Can you find out the answer where you have to use capital letters? Just try to think over. Our pet dog is very naughty. Its name is Sheru. Let's see. O in R is capital because it is the first word in the sentence. Pet dog is very naughty. Its I in its is capital because again it's the first word of the sentence. Full stop आ गया है तो नया sentence शुरू हो रहा है. And in this new sentence, this is the first word. So its first letter should be capital. Its name is Sheru. So Sheru is the name of a dog. So S will be capital. So you have seen where to use capital letters. Now you will do this exercise in your homework. ये आपका homework है. Rewrite the passage below using capital letters where necessary. This question is from your NCERT textbook, from the lesson The Little Fir Tree. You have to write this passage again by correcting it, by capitalizing it. You will capitalize the letters wherever needed. जहाँ जहाँ ज़रूरी है आप वहाँ पर capital letters use करके इस passage को फिर से लिखेंगे. This first one and this is the second passage. You will write these two passages again by capitalizing the letters. Let's read it once. One Saturday afternoon, Amarjeet and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. There they saw ducks, water and their friend Raj. So here one, this is the first word in this sentence. So O will be capital. Saturday, it's the name of a day. Afternoon, Amarjeet, name of a person, and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate, name of a place. There they saw ducks, water, and their friend Raj. So again, this is the name of a person. A second one, oh dear, said the little fir tree, I like my old needle-like leaves best, for goats do not eat them and no man can steal them. So, complete these two questions. Next, you'll also do this short question. What you have to do in this? Which of the following actions would make others happy or unhappy? You will write H in front of those actions which makes someone happy, and you will write U in front of those actions which make someone unhappy. Let's read it once. Respecting elders, not saying thank you, being polite, playing with friends, visiting a sick friend, not sharing, watching television all day, telling lies, being greedy, caring for pets, getting angry easily, being honest. So this is all for today. Complete your work and send it to me. Thank you.